Jahangir Hussain, a youth from a village from Norshindi, has just completed his master's in accounting. When the youth of his age spend their times talking and playing with their friends, Jahangir has none, as nobody accepted him as their friend. So, he remains busy working at home in his free times. Sometimes he helps his mother with household activities and outside on the agriculture land.
Since my birth, I have lived with problems with my nose, which means I can't breathe normally. I also have a hearing impairment and often can communicate with others. My parents have motivated me a lot to go to school. After completing my master's, I went for an interview with a private company. But due to my disabilities, I have been deprived of jobs in many places. Along with my studies, I used to work in a part-time job. But due to coronavirus, I have lost the job. Now, I'm unemployed and my family is also passing a difficult time. If I can get a job, I'll be able to do something for my family.
Jahangir was never behind in his studies. He successfully completed his course in schools and colleges with his sincere efforts and dedication.
I worked very hard to educate my son Jahangir. Many told me to stop his education as Jahangir is a person with disabilities and won't be able to bring any good for us. But I did not think of any benefit in return. I only thought of his future. Now, as he has completed his masters, I hope he gets a good job and can lead a decent life.
The Inclusion Works program is working to create job opportunities for people with disabilities like Jahangir in formal employment in Bangladesh. International organizations in support with organizations of people with disabilities are implementing this program in Bangladesh, Kenya, Nigeria, and Uganda. It is a UK aid-funded program that aims to address the underrepresentation of people with disabilities in formal employment and intends to ensure long-term improved access to formal employment opportunities for them. In Bangladesh, this 3-year program is being implemented in Dhaka, Ghazipur, Norshindi, Khulna, and Chattogram. In 2015, the United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, underpinned by a commitment to end extreme poverty and to leave no one behind. Sustainable Development Goal 8 focuses on inclusive and sustainable economic growth and decent work for all, including for people with disabilities, and equal pay for work of equal value, which constitutes the foundation of the Inclusion Works program. The implementation of the SDGs is reinforced by the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, or UNCRPD, which Bangladesh signed in 2007 and enacted the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act in 2013 to align with the CRPD. Despite having the legal protection, people with disabilities are passing the hardest of times due to COVID-19.
Ongoing coronavirus pandemic has turned many people, including women with disabilities, unemployed in Norshindi. So many mills and factories have shut down. The government has provided different types of supports during this pandemic for the poor. However, people with disabilities, especially women with disabilities, have remained mostly deprived.
Sight Savers and other organizations of the Inclusion Works Consortium are helping people with disabilities to find jobs through providing various types of skills, support, and engaging them with potential employers. In this context, the Inclusion Works program is working to achieve 3 main advocacy outcomes. implementation of the 8-year National Action Plan on Disability in project districts, making skills development centers more inclusive of people with disabilities, and capacitating the organizations of persons with disabilities and their members. People with disabilities are no different and can do any job like people without disabilities. All people with disabilities need is a change in perception and a little support from all of us. So, let us join forces to leave no one behind and build back better from COVID-19 by prioritizing disability inclusion in formal employment and inclusive economic recovery, strengthen social protection for people with disabilities, and accessible skills development centers.